Hello everyone, this is Rick and this is another great use of Instant Bond. As you can see, this laminate has come apart. So instead of nails or clamps, this is the most incredible use, and as you'll see, of this product. This is Instant Bond, industrial strength, instant adhesive, and instant means 3 to 5 seconds. So what we'll do, you can use the adhesive alone, but the accelerator will speed that up from 8 minutes to roughly 3 to 6 seconds. So here we go. There are many ways you can do this. You can just apply the adhesive alone and hold it for about a minute or so. But the best way, of course, is to apply the accelerator. And the accelerator is also used as a primer. It actually strengthens the adhesive. So this is the fastest way. You can also put the adhesive on first, put it and hold apart, and then spray it, so that way it gives you time to align. But since I am a very experienced user, just place some adhesive on there and just close it up. Okay, hold it there for a second. Spray some adhesive on top, accelerator on top, so it will harden any excess. And there you have it. There's nothing that you can get or use that's stronger than this. Nothing. You won't be able to take this apart with a crowbar. So there you go. No nails, no clamps. Great use of Instant Bond. Can't do without it. This is